Oh, I didn't see you there. Yeah, I didn't see you there. Look it. Yeah. You know how I took this off? Like, cause like I trying to like rip this piece off, and like I kind of like unscrew these, but I don't know how, cause like unscrew these kind of. Yeah, I was like screwing, and then yeah, and I don't know how this got cracked, cause like I was like driving this. I went to the store, and then I came home. It probably my dog bit it. So yeah. And I got more of these, like this. Yeah. I got better rims. Oh, I forgot to show you the rims for my car. See, I got these kind of rims. Put these rims on, and it is a Mustang. I got this one. Some rims. It's a better one, but this doesn't come off. So yeah. And this got broke. I don't know when I was driving it, cause this got broke when I was driving it. Yeah. Yeah. That's all. So if you want one of these, or these, or hold on 1 second.
Alright, now that the boss man's done, I got video games to play. But I need help with this petite stuff. Thing is, I'm already helping the Super Spaghetti Brothers beat the Parmesan Princess in Dr. Street 6.
Hi guys again. Well, hold on. Or if you want one of these. Yeah, if you want one of these. Click the button below, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot something. I was to show you, okay? Just hold on 1 second. And these are my mom's shoes, and these are my shoes. Yeah, so subscribe and vlog. Like my videos, click the button below, and that's all. Bye.